Hello everyone. Today I have delivered lecture on intrusive igneous bodies. Okay. In igneous intrusive body, what is meant by igneous intrusive body? Igneous intrusive body means those igneous forms are formed below the subsurface as forms as shape, particular shape called as intrusive igneous bodies. Intrusive means those magma are cooled below the subsurface called as intrusive igneous bodies, and different type of structures are formed as intrusive bodies in igneous rocks called as intrusive igneous bodies. There are different igneous intrusive rocks or igneous intrusive bodies are formed in the beneath the subsurface. Common forms of intrusive rocks or intrusive bodies observed in the field is as below. Intrusive igneous rocks, it is also called as plutonic type of igneous rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks means those rocks are formed with the help of cooling, consolidation, solidification and crystallization of magma. Those magma are cooled beneath the subsurface. It is not comes on the surface, called as intrusive type of igneous rocks. Means those magma cool below the subsurface, called as intrusive igneous rocks, and those structures are formed below the subsurface as is called as igneous intrusive bodies or igneous intrusive structures. Okay. We see one by one. First one, dike. What is meant by dike? Dike is a vertical to the country rock. Vertical to the country rock. Dike is a most common forms of intrusive igneous bodies cut across the bedding of the rocks. Suppose this is the the bed trends is north south and dike is cut across this north south rock. It is vertical to the country rock, vertical to the steeply inclined and seat like body with extensive in lateral dimension. Okay, the thickness of this dike is vary from inches up to the hundreds of feet, injected through the fractures, joints and weak planes. How form these dikes? When the magma, when this is, suppose this is the hill and suppose this is the country rock, and in the country rock maybe the presence of fracture joints and weak planes, and some of the magma comes from the subsurface, and these magma are cooled between the fractures joints and weak planes, and then form this type of structure called as dike. This is the one of the example of dike. You see this diagram, this is the dark colored diagram, that is the dike. This is the bedding plane, this one bedding plane, this one bedding plane, this is the three bedding planes, and the dike is vertical to the country rock called as dike. Another example is mafic dike. This is the mafic dike means very dark color mineral presence in a rock called as mafic rock, and those dike are presence of mafic type of mineral called as mafic dike. Okay. Another is seal. What is meant by seal? Seal is form parallel to the country rock. Suppose this is the country rock, and also seal is parallel to the country rock, not like a dike. Seal is parallel to the country rock. Seals are relatively thin, tabular sheet-like body that penetrates parallel to the bedding plane. Okay, laterally it may extend hundreds of meter up to the 10 kilometer. The lateral extents of this seal is maybe 100 meter up to the 10 of kilometer. Lateral extents mainly depends on the pressure of hydrostatic pressure, temperature, degree of fluidity and viscosity, weight of overlying sediment column, which is present on upper part of the particular rock body. Since most of the dikes and seals are formed through the basic magma, like gabbro, dolerite and basalt is most common composition of the dike. Because of basic magma are very fluid than the acidic magma. Mostly seals and dikes, mostly seals are made up of gabbro, dolerite and basalt. These are all basic composition. Basic means the presence of olivine, pyroxene, amphibole and mica mineral greater than that of silica and feldspar in a rock, called as basic type of magma, and most of the seals are mostly composed of this type of rock, gabbro, dolerite and basalt. Okay, this is the picture of seal. This is the bed. This is the different rock structures. The rock beds are present: limestone, sandstone. This is the limestone, this is the sandstone, and bedrock is mudstone. And some of the magma are conducted from the fractures or joints and spread parallel to the country rock. Here it is called as, hence it is called as seal. Seal is parallel to the country rock, spread parallel to the bedding plane of the rock, hence it is called as concordant in nature. And dike is discordant because of its cut across a country rock or perpendicular to the country rock. Therefore, dike is called as discordant igneous body and seal is called as concordant igneous body. Okay. Another structure is laccolith. Laccolith is flat bottom. Laccolith is flat bottom. Bottom area is very high and then reduces the hill-like structure. Bottom area is high, flat bottom and convex upward. It is dome shaped structure. It is called as laccolith. When viscous magma is injected rapidly along the bedding, as it cannot spread, it push up the overlying layers because of the particular hard rock are presence, and only spread at bottom and upward side is very convex type structure developed due to the limited supply of that melted material. Therefore, it is called as laccolith. It causes folding of the overlying rocks layers. Because of if presence of folded structures in the terrain, they may be the formation of laccolith. Then batholith. Batholith is a very irregular shape. There is no specific shape of the batholith, but the area is very huge. Very large area has been covered by this batholith. Are the very largest kind of plutons. Pluton means plutonic body. Batholith are the largest kind of plutons, irregular in shape and occupies very large area. Their side slope away from each other, which makes them large and larger downwards, extending to the greater depth. Their occurrence is commonly associated with the mountain building process. Most of the batholiths are found in the mountain building processes, areas where the mountain building process activity will be still there. These are the either granite and granodiorite in composition. Most of the batholiths are mainly composed of either granite or granodiorite. Both rocks are acidic in nature. Acidic in nature means in the granite as well as granodiorite, the silica percentage is higher than the other heavy mineral, other mafic mineral like olivine, pyroxene and amphibole. Therefore, it is acidic rocks, and most of the batholiths are mostly composed of granite and granodioritic type of igneous rocks. Another is stocks. A stock is a smaller irregular bodies with 10 km in maximum dimension and associated with the batholith. You see this diagram. Batholith is a very large body, and upper portion of this type of structure, structures are developed. Upper part of the batholith called as stock. This is picture showing example of batholith from California. Okay. Another is baccolith. Baccolith means these occur along the crust and trough of the folded sedimentary strata. Suppose the country rock is sediment rock, and when magma comes from the subsurface and deposited and trough at capping of the crest or bottom of the trough, and then form baccolith type of structure. Here you see this diagram is some of the igneous intrusion comes from the subsurface and deposited here called as crest structures, and some of the at the bottom of trough called as baccolith. Another is lopholith. What is meant by lopholith? Lopholith, these are the basin shaped concordant igneous body. Basin, water basin. This is this type structure, one funnel like structure, and then this type of stand, that is the basin shaped concordant bodies with top nearly flat. At top it is flat and convex at bottom. It is a vice versa of the batholith. Batholith is at bottom flat and convex at top, but in lopholith nearly flat at top and convex at bottom, called as lopholith. They are very huge body with diameter up to 240 km also. This is the lopholith. This picture showing lopholith, basin like structure, flat at top and convex at bottom, called as lopholith. Another is volcanic neck. When it is cylindrical conduit that fed magma upward to volcanic vent, or it is conduit of the ancient volcano, old volcano, vary in diameter from few of 100 meters to the kilometer or more in kilometer. These are filled up with the crystalline rock like igneous and metamorphic. the shape of volcanic nape is a circular shape and elliptical and very irregular. You see this diagram, this arrow shows indication of volcanic nape. Okay, these are the different igneous intrusions are found beneath the subsurface as igneous intrusive bodies like dike, seal, batholith, lapolith, lopolith, phacolith and lopolith and volcanic neck also. These are the different igneous bodies are found as igneous intrusive bodies in the plutonic type of igneous rocks. Okay, thank you.